Mr. Pankaj, your NICL interview is on which date?
Sir, my NICL interview is on 26th of September,
In which place?
Delhi.
Right. Now, are you appearing for a generalist or legal?
Yes, sir. I'm appearing for Generalist.
Very nice. Excellent. So, why did you come to me in the last minute? How did you prepare for the interview?
Sir, actually, I was doing this interview preparation from my own, from some website and other things. But at last, I wanted to see some people who have already given some interviews of insurance companies. That's where I came to know about your channel, and I saw your videos. And then I thought it would be good to give some mocks from to an
Yeah,
experienced person. So that's why I decided.
excellent. Excellent. Thank you. Now, Mr. Baguguna, can you please tell me about yourself?
Sir, my full name is Pankaj Bahuguna. I, I was born in Haldwani, which is in Nainital district of Uttarakhand. I have done my graduation in BCom honors and I have passed out in 2022. Currently, I am working in Bank of Maharashtra as a probationary officer, and my father is an engineer. He is working in Century Pulp and Paper. My mother is a housewife, and I have two elder sisters.
But you are working in Bank of Maharashtra in which branch?
Khatima branch.
Where is it? It's in Uttarakhand.
Yes, sir. It's in Uttarakhand. It's in Udham Singh district of Uttarakhand, which is nearly 70 kilometers away from my home.
That's a very nice. That means you are lucky. So you go every day
Yes.
from home or you are staying in near your
No,
office?
no, sir. I'm here in Khatima.
That is, you stay in your own, in the branch place.
Yes, sir. I have taken a room here. I stay here,
Excellent.
and in
Ex-
holidays I go to
Excellent.
home.
You stay alone or with other colleagues of yours?
No, sir. I'm staying alone.
Good. Very nice. Best wishes. How old are you?
Sir, currently I am 22 years old.
Only. Bacha?
Yes, yes,
22.
yes. You can say that, sir. Yes, yes.
22. Good, good, good. Excellent. Now, you are with Bank of Maharashtra. आप क्यों इधर आना चाहते हैं?
Sir, I'm in Bank of Maharashtra since 1 month. And my reason to come here is that I always wanted, since I did my preparation from the starting days, I did my preparation keeping in mind that I want to go in insurance sector. And though there are not very much vacancies in insurance sector, but banking exams happen quite frequently in a year. So I got a job in bank, but my aim was to go in insurance.
So
And
you
this
studied
is,
only
I,
BCom honors, na?
yes, sir.
Only BCom honors. Acha, acha.
Yes.
Good. Can you tell me what are the strengths that you have?
So I think the strength that I possess are, uh, I think I am perseverance and being calm and being honest to my work, uh, being honest and being sincere to my work. I think these are my strengths.
Okay. Now, you joined Bank of Maharashtra 1 month back. What did you learn in during this 1 month?
So during these 1 month, uh, if I say what I technical things I learned, then I learned how to open a different account and how to. Currently, I'm doing work of operations in a bank. So let's say I transfer money, I open accounts of people, and though our
Hmm.
branch is also only 2 months old, I have joined the branch 1 month before, and our branch was opened in I guess April. So it's around 2 3 months. Our branch is only 2 3 months old, so there's not much work there. So though I am learning some new every day. I have till now I have learned these things.
How many new accounts did you canvas?
I think till now I have opened around 10 to 15 saving accounts and 5 to 10 current accounts.
Acha, you canvassed.
Not canvas. Customer came and they requested to
No,
open
I
these
am not
accounts.
asking about the accounts coming of their own. How many accounts did you influence in their being opened with you?
No, I did not influence anyone to open account with us
Are
because
they not asking you? Are they not asking you to do that?
those who come to the branch, they themselves say that we have to open account.
That is true.
And
No, no. I
for
am asking, is the manager not telling you to go for canvassing and getting new accounts?
no, no, sir. So the problem here is that we have a shortage of staff. When I joined the bank, we were three staff, and now we are only two. So if I go outside, then only one person, one officer remains in a bank. So that's not a good situation in our bank to be at.
There is
So
there no clerical
all,
staff in your branch now?
no, no, sir, not till now.
Oh, that means who is receiving cash?
Sir, that we are all doing. I'm learning, and my manager is doing that all.
No, no, but receiving cash आप करते हैं और मैनेजर करते हैं.
Yes, currently, when we were three, my seniors used to receive and send cash, and I used to learn how they are doing that. But now we both are doing that.
Both people handling cash. Oh, Baba, it's risky.
Yes, yes,
So
yes, sir.
instead, it is better one of you take charge. But of course, manager need not take charge of that. It's better you take charge of that and get it done. I know, doesn't matter. Now coming to national insurance. What do you know about national insurance?
Sir, National Insurance is a general insurance company. It was started in 1906 and it was nationalized in 1972. It provides basic general insurance products like motor insurance, health insurance, and property insurance, and many other general type of insurance that a general insurance company provides. And it's among four general insurance companies, public sector general insurance companies that exist today.
Mhm.
Yes.
Now, can you tell me the principles of insurance?
So there are seven principles of insurance, namely principle of indemnity, principle of utmost good faith, principle of causa proxima, principle of subrogation, principle of I
What,
think I missed two.
what happened? You have forgotten?
No, not forgetting, sir. I was counting in my hand these seven, and I got mixed up in these.
I think you are not
Mm.
prepared fully because you are working in office. You don't have time to prepare. Am I right?
No, sir, I get time, but I think I've read these seven insurance principles, but
Principle of utmost good faith, principle of indemnity,
then
principle of insurable interest, principle of subrogation, principle of loss minimization, principle of
yes,
contribution, principle of
yes,
causa proxima.
yes.
So which two items you omitted? Which are two, three items which you omitted?
Sir, I omitted two principle of contribution and principle of another.
Causa proxima,
No, sir, causa proxima I told.
then subrogation,
Yes, yes. No, subrogation I also told.
then insurable interest, I think you would have omitted.
Yes, yes. I think I have a committed insurable interest.
Can you tell me what is principle of insurable interest?
So this principle generally specifies that a person who is taking an insurance of a particular asset, he should have interest in that. He should have financial interest in that. Meaning, he cannot take insurance of anything that does not help him financially.
In other words, he should own it or he should have a
Yes,
charge over it. For example, a
yes,
bank can insure a property that is mortgaged to it because it has
yes,
been mortgaged to that. But bank cannot insure a property that has not been mortgaged to it.
yes.
Similarly,
They should have.
X can take a mediclaim policy in his name and in the name of his wife or spouse and children. But Mr. X cannot take a policy in the name of Mrs. Y. Could you
Yes,
follow? Yeah.
yes, sir.
So that is known as insurable interest.
Okay.
Good.
Yes,
Are you willing to go anywhere in India once you are selected?
yes, sir. Yes, sir. I would be very happy to go anywhere in India.
During your graduation study, when did you complete it? 2020,
2022, sir. 22.
22. How many marks did you score in your graduation?
Sir, not I cannot tell the overall, but I think if I take the average, it's around 82%.
Oh, good, good. Why are you telling I cannot tell overall? I never wanted each subject wise. I only wanted average.
Sir, the reason is that we have 6 semesters, and to
Pardon?
calculate,
नो
sir,
नो
we have six
कैलकुलेट
semesters.
करने का जरूरत नहीं जी. खाली आप एवरेज परसेंटेज बोलने से हो जाएगा. And
Okay, sir.
in interviews, you should not use unnecessary words. You must
Okay,
be
sir.
knowing it. आपने तो एक बार IBPS PO इंटरव्यू अटेंड कर लिया. आप तो
Yes,
जानते
sir.
हैं. या
Yes,
उस बार आपने अपना प्रिपेयर किया है और किसी का पास में इंटरव्यू करने का बाद में किया है.
सर इन IBPS मैंने एक अपने घर के पास की कोचिंग में एनरोल किया था इंटरव्यू के लिए.
वेरी गुड. दैट्स नाइस. या दैट्स रियली गुड. नाउ यू
Yes,
आर फ्रॉम Uttarakhand. Tell me
yes,
what is
sir.
good in your native place.
So I live in Nainital district of Uttarakhand. So Nainital is very famous for its lake, its hill stations, and its surrounding places like Bhimtal, Sattal. And nowadays, many people come to visit the Neem Karoli Baba, who many
Hmm.
big celebrities have visited earlier, like Apple
Now, why
CEO.
your voice is not coming correctly? Are you speaking far away from your mic or your internet
No,
is
sir.
not all right? Sound is
Now
not at all.
is it coming good?
No,
Now is
good.
it good?
No, no. It's okay. No, next time when you talk, you sit in a place where you have good signal.
Okay, sir. Right now I'm sitting in my room.
No, room may you sit near some window where you can keep it open
Let's try it another place.
because रूम का अंदर में सिग्नल उतना अच्छा होता नहीं.
So now is it coming?
Oh, okay, this is what is available. We will take it up and go. Now,
Yes.
yeah, you during college days, which subject was your favorite subject?
Sir, during college days, I love finance the most.
Finance. Oh,
Yes.
very good. So, what are the factors a banker should check before giving finance to the customer?
So I think the factors that we should first do the risk assessment of the customer. We should see uh, that will the customer be able to repay the loan that we are giving to him? For that, we do uh, credit score check. We visit the customer's place and to check the mortgage if it's real or not, and we do the KYC of the customer to know about our customer.
Hmm.
These all things we do.
What is a balance sheet?
The balance sheet is basically tells about the assets and liabilities of a company. So we can see the assets and the liabilities there.
What are the items that you see in the asset side of a bank balance sheet?
So the assets of a bank are the loans that it gives to its customers, and any current assets of the bank, any investments of the bank in securities and anywhere else, any asset that the bank holds like land, building, machinery. That's all we can see at the asset side of the bank balance sheet.
What do you understand by intangible assets?
So intangible assets are those that are there, but we cannot see we cannot see them. No, we cannot. Yes, sir, we cannot see them.
That are there?
That are there.
मतलब
Like
क्या है?
we can say
आप आप
goodwill
करेक्टली
what
हिंदी
our
में बोलिए.
company.
हिंदी में बोलिए. You are not understanding what you are speaking. Tell me correctly.
तो इंटेंजिबल एसेट्स वो होती हैं जो हमें हमारे सामने दिखती नहीं है, जैसे टेंजिबल एसेट्स हम लैंड हो सकती है, बिल्डिंग हो सकती है, बट इंटेंजिबल एसेट्स में हम उनको काउंट करते हैं, जैसे हमारी कंपनी की गुडविल, द मार्केट
हाँ,
रेपुटेशन,
it is
द
not
जॉब.
there. That which cannot be seen or touched. You can't
यस.
touch it. You can't see it.
यस.
Like goodwill, stocks, patents and rights, trademark rights, and all these things.
यस.
Correct?
यस. यस.
Now, which items come under the liability side of a bank balance sheet?
The liabilities that come in the bank balance sheet are the deposits that the customer makes with the bank, saving bank, like demand deposit. And if a bank takes loan from another party, then that also comes under the liability side because we have to repay them. These all things I think are, and the interest which is due on the customer's deposit, that all things come under the liability side of the bank.
Interest on deposits is an expenditure. It will not
Yes,
come
sir.
under liabilities. You
Sorry,
have
sir. That
omitted one.
will come under
You
P and
have,
L.
you have omitted one important point: capital and reserves.
Yes, sir. Capital and
Why
reserve.
capital is shown under liabilities?
The capital is shown under the liability side because the company has the obligation to pay the capital back to its owner. So that's why we show that at the liability side.
You have to tell the particular point. Business
Like
is
if
treated as a separate entity.
business and its owner are
Separate
treated as a
entities.
separate. Yes, sir.
Entities. That word you have to use.
Yes,
Entities. This is separate, that is separate. Good. Very good. Now, what are the ratios you are remembering?
sir. The ratios I'm remembering are related to bank. We say net interest margin. So this is not a ratio, but a common rate we use in bank. That's called net interest rate. So this is the difference between the interest
Net interest
we charge,
income.
net interest
NII.
income
Hmm. No, I
that we
think you are
charge.
not ready for this. You please prepare on your balance sheet, वगैरह वगैरह. थोड़ा detail पढ़ा के रख लो. Next time when you come, if necessary, I will ask. Otherwise, now I am not asking further questions on that. I am going to insurance.
Okay, sir.
Now, please tell me why people take insurance.
So people take insurance to safeguard themselves from any future mishappening that may arise due to some natural calamities or some man-made activities.
Very good. Correct. Now, why banks are taking insurance from the on the various properties?
So, whenever a bank gives loan to a customer, the customer gives something mortgage, gives some securities in return to the bank. So sometimes when a bank gives unsecured loans to its customer, so to
No, no, no.
mitigate the risk that may
No,
arise,
no. You're
that may arise,
struggling. You're struggling. Simply tell banks take insurance on properties that are charged to it, that are given as security to it. समझ गया?
yes, yes,
Could you follow?
yes, yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Banks take insurance on the securities that they take from the customer. Uh,
Super. For example, if a car has been hypothecated to the bank, then bank will take insurance on that with the bank's name being written. In case of any claims, first bank will be receiving money. Okay.
yes, sir.
Now, who is a insurance regulator?
In India, the insurance regulator is Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India.
Who is the present insurance regulatory development authority?
Chairman, sir,
Who is the chairman?
Mr. Devashish Panda.
Good. Where is its headquarters?
The IRDAI has headquarters is in Hyderabad.
Can you name a few regulatory authorities apart from IRDAI?
Sir, apart from IRDAI, banks are regulated by Reserve Bank of India. MSMEs are recorded by SIDBI, and our agriculture sector, financial sector is regulated by NABARD, and our securities market are regulated by SEBI.
Pension funds are regulated by whom?
So these are regulated by PFRDA.
Good. Who is the present chairman?
So
Some
I
Bengali.
think,
Please get to know his name.
yes, sir, definitely.
Yeah. Now, um, what you understand as health insurance?
So health insurance is the insurance we do, uh, keeping in mind that any future disease that mm, that we may take up. We do health insurance so that the expenses that we occur in the future, will, any hospitalization expense, so that we take health insurance, so that in that time, an, an insurance company can pay for the huge amount of expense that we occur.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What do you understand by insurance glossary?
Sir, please pardon, sir. I did insurance.
Insurance glossary.
Sorry, sir. I don't remember anything about this.
Please note it. Policy holder dot
Yes.
gov dot in.
Okay, so this is the website.
Yeah. This is the website. Yamper, they are telling various things. What is buying insurance? What is making a claim? What is consumer complaints? what is creating awareness, like that, various things they are explaining about it.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
I'll read the thing.
you will
Yes,
please
sir.
read it. That will be
Yes,
better. One or two more questions for you. You are answering well, and can you tell me what was the profit of our national insurance last year?
sir. As what I remember is that National Insurance Company Limited is was in a loss last year. Uh, what I remember,
How much?
we did not have.
100 crore loss or
Sir,
something like that.
sir, sorry, but I don't remember the actual number,
Hmm.
the loss
Doesn't
amount. But
matter. Doesn't
I
matter. बाद में prepare कर दीजिए.
yes, sir.
Very good. Now, um, Uttarakhand, who is the chief minister?
So Chief Minister of our state is Dr. Singh Dhami.
Who is your governor now? You don't know. Doesn't matter. No
No.
problem. So best wishes.
Yes,
We'll meet again after some another date I have given you.
yes, sir. Maybe on tomorrow or day after tomorrow.
No, no. Which date is your interview?
Some IM is on 26th.
अरे बाबा इतनी जल्दी. Then
Yes, sir.
कितना बजे वापस आएंगे ऑफिस से आप?
Sir, 6 o'clock. 6 बजे तक आ जाता हूँ.
Shall I make it 6:45 p.m. for you on
Yes,
24th?
yes, sir.
Okay.
We can do it.
Huh? That will be fine.
Yes, that will be fine.
I am noting your number. Please send a message to me through your number agreeing for 24th September 6:45 p.m. NICL interview. Generalist.
Okay, sir.
ऐसा बोल दीजिए हो जाएगा. So that will be
ठीक है सर.
good. Thank
सर
you.
मुझे एक क्वेश्चन
Yeah,
पूछना था.
yeah, बोलिए.
सर जैसे मान लीजिए अगर इंटरव्यूअर ने क्वेश्चन करा कि आप बैंक ऑफ महाराष्ट्र में अभी अभी काम कर रहे हैं, आप क्यों एनआईसीएल में आना चाहते हैं? अभी आपने कुछ वहाँ
आपने
एक्सपीरियंस ज़्यादा
ये
गेन भी नहीं
बोलना
किया
है.
हुआ है.
No, no. Actually, the career prospects are supposed to are good in NICL. That's why I'm coming. Actually, I will say Bank of Maharashtra will give a better future for you than this because in insurance industry, आपको promotion is very bad.
ठीक है.
But initially, you get a higher salary. Maybe you'll be getting per year 2 lakhs or 3 lakhs more. So that is the only advantage that makes you switch over to that. If you get it, you join absolutely. But tension भी बहुत कम होगा.
यस बट सर द मेन आई थिंक द प्रॉब्लम सिंस आई एम मैं 1 महीने से यहाँ काम कर रहा हूँ और अपने सीनियर से बात करता हूँ तो वो लोग बोलते हैं कि बैंकिंग थोड़ा मतलब काफी वो हो गया है, मतलब प्रेशर वाला जॉब हो गया. अभी तो मैं इधर यहाँ जिस ब्रांच में हूँ उधर मैं टाइमली घर पे आ जाता हूँ. बट वो लोग बोलते हैं कि कई बार आपको मतलब बैंकिंग की कोई फिक्स टाइमिंग ही नहीं रहती है. आप बहुत
You
लेट
may have
तक
to
भी.
work till 9 o'clock, 8 o'clock, and all that. If you
यस
are
यस
posted in a very busy branch, you are lucky. You
यस
have been posted in a very small branch. That too, a
यस
branch manager who is not very ambitious. Oh, he doesn't know how to get work done also. इसलिए आपको जल्दी जल्दी छोड़ देता है. Otherwise, if I
यस
am
सर वो
going to be a manager, I will ask you to stay with me till about 7 o'clock. Do some business. Canvas करो. जाके बुला के आ
यस.
जाओ. ऐसा बोलेगा. So you are lucky
यस.
in that way. But आपको इंश्योरेंस में इतना प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. खाली ठीक बजे पर आप जा सकते हैं.
हाँ बस सर ये और उधर अभी एक प्लस पॉइंट ये भी है कि 5 डे वर्किंग है.
Yeah, that is also another thing. Very good. So best wishes. God bless you.
थैंक यू सो मच सर.
Bye.